Hey guys, I would like to tell you about this offer currently available for Australian TAFE and university students. You can currently get Office Professional Academic Edition 2010 for just $99, which is a good bargain considering that the standard version of Office Pro 2010 retails for around $700. The software included is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote Publisher, and Access 2010. And I would like to compare this to the Office Home and Student 2010. The Home and Student version only comes with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, and it is twice the price with half the features. However, you can obviously get it cheaper if you buy it in store rather than directly from Microsoft. Going back to the It's Not Cheating website, they also have a couple of other offers. You can upgrade to Windows 7 Professional for $49.95. However, you need the appropriate version of Windows. Certain versions of Windows XP, Vista, and 7 are compatible with this upgrade. Though if, for example, you have Windows XP Home Edition, I don't believe that's compatible with this upgrade. Be sure to check that your hardware meets the minimal requirements before purchasing the software, because they will not give you a refund. They also have Microsoft Office for Mac Academic 2011. It includes Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. Not as many of the programs are available on Mac. And you can also get language packs for $12 each. So for example, you could get a German language pack for $12 and they will send you the link to download it. That's pretty much it really. The easiest way to get the software is if you have a TAFE or university email address, because they would just send you the download, the purchase link, and you can purchase, download, and install the software. However, if you're like me and a student that doesn't have an institution email address, then you have to send them proof that you're a current student. I was able to send them valid valid student ID card. However, they also accept, student timetables if they have your name and the date on them, or your enrollment, confirmation of enrollment form. So, I would highly recommend. Purchasing Office Professional Academic 2010. It's a very reasonable price. Microsoft are obviously trying to combat piracy, and I think a lot of people are willing to spend $99 on the product, because you don't have to go through the hassle of torrenting and finding cracks and keygens infecting your computer and not being able to download certain updates, etc. So I highly recommend you check this out if you're a current Australian TAFE or university student. You can go to itsnotcheating.com.au. Thanks for watching.